because in any case, both bills have got the same significance. Thank you. Let us proceed.
Clause 3.
I'm beginning to think this is a delaying tactic. What's your point of order, Honorable Junet, in a minute?
Chair, you see, both bills are under one order, order number 8. It's only Roman 1 and Roman 2. Why don't we address the fears of the honorable members? Then we can proceed together. If you let him raise the issues that he thinks that he needs to raise, then address them, then we move forward, Chair. That is a better orderly way than saying come later. They're already in one order. You can't separate them. They are twins. Cement twins, or they're called what? Siamese twins.
Honorable Junet, I don't agree with you. I don't agree with you. Yes, sir, it's a point of order, Leader of Majority. I hope you're not saying that we should reorder the paper.
No, Honorable Speaker, Honorable Chair, I wanted to agree with you. Because to begin with, the person who has raised those issues, Honorable TJ Kajwang, from all our records is not a member of the Health Committee. Number 2, Honorable Speaker, the chair of the committee has signed for the particular amendments that are in the order paper. And our standing orders are very clear that the chair of the committee is the one who signs for all reports and amendments that will appear on the order paper on behalf of a committee. Lastly, Honorable Speaker, the amendments being spoken to on the social health insurance bill, there are similar amendments sponsored by members. Therefore, Honorable Speaker, it is only fair that we proceed and we desist from now what seems to be filibustering and wasting time, and we proceed as is listed on the order paper. Whatever other amendment Honorable TJ Kajwang wants to bring, even now you can file an amendment. Those that are already on the order paper are there. There are some that are similar, others are dissimilar. Honorable Speaker, I beg that we proceed.
Honorable TJ, I think you're now becoming out of order. You already made your case. I already made a ruling that we shall continue with the order paper as is, and it is going Roman 1 and then Roman 2. So we'll start with Roman 1. And I think, Honorable Junet, you've already made your point of order. Let us now begin. Okay, this is the last point of order. What's your point of order?
What is this, Chair? Chair, I agree with what the majority is, with an amendment. You see, Chair, the chairman of the committee can sign an amendment on behalf of the committee. But that doesn't mean that the amendment that the committee members wish to carry will be dropped by the chairman. He doesn't have that executive authority. That's why they are called a committee. Number 2, if you are saying we are going to address these other issues in Roman 2, then let's proceed to Roman 2. Okay. Watch it.